What's good, all my SGMers? Oh my still getting money people out there. Before you watch this video, become part of SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. Before we start this video, don't forget to add me on the Instagram, Snap, which is SgmCashoutKing, and Twitter, SgmCashoutKing. And on Facebook, it will be SgmCashoutKing on Facebook. So, like I said, don't forget to add me on those platforms so we can stay connected. We'll be posting soon. But before I start this video, I've been working on a lot of stuff. When I'm talking about a lot of stuff, I know I said that before in my last post, but I had thought I got everything finished, but it wasn't quite how I liked it. So I definitely had to put some time in it. So I had to take some time away, like a week or two, away from, from posting, because I need to get my total focus. But I got big things happening. Like I said, I got another channel which I'll be posting to y'all pretty soon. Like I said, don't got nothing to do with this, but if you want to support me, I'm gonna definitely put it up pretty soon. I'm gonna definitely have a lot of giveaways once I hit the 10K mark. And like I said, I'm doing a lot of things. So basically, I'm doing a lot of things, and I want to reveal it to y'all pretty soon. But anyways, let me get into this video real quick. And this video is about a website called Zip Nala Zilch. A lot of y'all probably heard of it. A lot of y'all probably haven't. But let's get into this video. Like I said, it's gonna look like this, whether it's in your phone or not. It's not gonna say congratulations, you know what I'm saying, you have to fulfill your credit requirements, because you didn't. It's gonna be a pink label up there, because once you fill your requirements, all you need to do is do it one time. I already did it the one time, as you can see right there. But the point is to get 2 credits, no matter how you get it. I got 2.10, which is the same thing. Like I said, just went a little bit over, but it's the same thing. Like I said, some of these offers are not there, some of them are not. It don't matter which way you do it. Like I said, as long as you get 2 credits. Sometimes it took me, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And other ways, when I explained in other videos, I did it with 3 offers. But like I said, a lot of y'all lazy, man. A lot of y'all come and y'all sign up. This is a free site, like I said, and y'all don't do nothing with it. What's the point of doing that? It's so many of y'all. I dread that. Like, why y'all gonna do it if you're not gonna finish it? That's why y'all don't get to where y'all get when y'all doing certain things, because y'all use the same thing when y'all do other apps and do other things. Y'all never finish. So that's why you don't get to the goal. You have to finish. You have to keep going. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard, like the way a lot of people make it seem. But let's get into the offers. Let me see. I haven't been on the site, like the actual site, because like I said, I don't really need to, because I already finished. But one of them I did was, see, like this is something new I haven't seen before. This is like $18, and you get 1.60 credit. That's almost the whole 2 credit right there, but you got to pay $18. Let's just say this is something you wanted to do, which I highly doubt a lot of y'all do. Then don't worry about that. But let's just say if you wanted this anyway, and you was gonna get it anyway, you might as well do it on here so you could get that 1.2 credit. Then all you need to do is one more for 40, and now you're done. But anyways, like I said, I know it's not like that, so let's go right here. This is one of them I did do right here for 30 credits. You know what I mean? The only thing about this is that for you to cancel, it's gonna take 25 days. But usually it's usually trials are 7 days, and you could do it. You can cancel in 5 days, but I'm gonna get into all that. But let's just say this one, make sure it says free and instantly. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to be free and it varies, and you don't know when you're gonna get it. So let's start with this one, free and instantly. That's one. That's 30, right? Let me find another one. Let's say your credit score, right? So this one right here is free and instantly. That's 60. So far we got 90. Let me go look for another one. Let me get another one. I see a bunch of 20s, but I don't want those. I want to eliminate as much as possible, because I don't want to get a bunch of 20s. Let me see. I found another one. This is the GameFly. So we had 90. So now we at we at 120, right? So now we got 80 more points left. So I'm looking. Let me see if I find another one. Like I said, I seen a bunch of. Here we go, right here. Magic Jack right there. So those 4. I'm saying you could pick however you want. I'm just giving you an example. So those 4. So I did 4 right there. So that completes my 2.0 credits exactly. So now I'm done. So once you get done, like I said, this is no different from Netflix. Like I said, Hulu account, as you can see, any trial. Like I said, but I always use the same example, because 9 out of 10, most of y'all probably got Netflix anyway. When y'all first started with Netflix, guess what? It was a 7-day trial. you watching movies or doing whatever, and you know if you're gonna keep it or not. 9 times out of 10, most majority I keep it. So what happens when you keep it after the 7 days? Your card gets charged $9.99, right? That ain't no different from this. It's a 7-day trial. Like I said, you're gonna cancel it. You're gonna write all the ones you picked, and you're gonna write it down. You're gonna put an alarm or reminder on your phone. You know what I'm saying? So in 5 days, it reminds you to cancel all 4 of these, the ones you pick, 4 or 5, whatever you want to pick. But for example, let's just say you pick these 4 that I showed you. You know, put a reminder. It's not that hard. And everybody got a reminder on their phone. You know what I'm saying? You put that reminder. You cancel them in 5 days, so you don't have to pay and charge your card. Like I said, I'm not telling you nothing I didn't do. Obviously, I did it. And I got videos making money on this. You gotta go way back in my videos. But anyways, like I said, that's all you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. Now, once you did that, right? It's gonna say, this is what's gonna say up there. You can fulfill your credits, blah blah blah. And guess what? All you gotta do is get your friend to do the same thing. Share it on social media. Send it to friends and family. Like I said, share it everywhere. If you know what I'm saying? If you find a strategy, you wanna do it through Craigslist. However you wanna do it. There's rooms in Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, groups. You want to share it in there. Just get the word out. That's the whole thing. Get the word out. And for every person that does this, you get $40.50. So let's just say you get 3 a day. That's about 120. You know what I'm saying? From the side while you do your work, or just extra money, period. Like I said, it's that simple. I've been doing this for a while. Like I said, it's not my main thing I do, but it brings extra income. I get money from every angle. That's the whole point of it. You know what I mean? And another thing, let's just say you wanted to tell a friend about it, and you told a friend, like, listen, they don't want to do it. They just want to do it so you can get paid. You know what I'm saying? When you go to their house, let's just say you're showing them how to do it, you can't be on the same Wi-Fi network. Let's say you go to his house and you sign into his Wi-Fi, right? You can't be on it, or you can't be on it, or they're gonna discontinue your website, your account. You know what I mean? You can't be on the same Wi-Fi. Let's just say you're on it, you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi off your phone so they don't detect that, you know what I'm saying, that y'all on the same Wi-Fi, because that's what it's going to detect. And they like I said, they will shut your account down. And you don't want that. And the same thing, like if I'm doing it from my phone, and then you want a friend to do it for you, right? But they, like I said, they just doing you a favor, and they're gonna make an account and actually do it. They can't do it on your phone. Once you do it on your phone or whatever computer it is, if the website records your IP address. So once it records your IP address, it already knows who you are. So it has your account. Let's say your name is John Doe. Guess what? On this iPhone 6 right here, John Doe is already on there. So now if you sign out and you try to get your friend, which his name is Mike Joe, or whatever his name is, and you use the same phone, guess what? They're gonna cancel it. It's not gonna count. You know what I mean? They're gonna want you to provide internet proof, and you don't want to go through all that, because I went through that before too. And so I started learning things. You can't use the same Wi-Fi. You can't use the same device. Period. It's that simple. Like I said, but like I said, a lot of y'all been, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sign up. I get notifications all the time, and not doing nothing with it when it's really simple. Like I said. You look at the prize. The prize is over here. Like I said, you get $30 plus $10.50 bonus, which equals to $40.50. It's not that hard. If you could duplicate that, even better. Like I said, man, it's 2018, man. It's just time to grind. I got so much stuff I got in store for y'all. That's why I've been, you know what I'm saying, I've been off and on the last month on here. Don't think I ain't been grinding though. Like I said, I've been grinding. I've been looking for other apps to share with y'all, but when you see me not putting that many new apps, sometimes, like I said, I go through 10, 20 apps. Like I said, I find in the store, people recommend me. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. If it's taking me 2-3 weeks, a month to make $5, then it's not worth it. Like I said, if I'm putting out an app that maybe it took you that long to make $5, eventually, once you get the hang of it, you know what I'm saying, you share it out there, and then eventually you're going to make more money. That's the reason I keep putting them out there, because a lot of y'all probably, you know what I'm saying, I share the app that I know makes me money. Y'all see me make money on it. I probably made $5 enough, and then I give up. So guess what? Me putting it out there, giving you motivation to get back to it. That's what happened with me. I keep going, and guess what? Next thing you know, I made 5. Then I duplicated 5 to 10. Then 10 to 20. And I'm like, dang, I got something going right here, because I ain't quit. It's all about just keep going. Like I said, Keep going. I remember, like I said, I know it's off topic. I remember when my first, I didn't get paid actually, like they deposited in my account, but the first time I saw in my background on my YouTube where YouTube paid me 5 cents, I thought it was cool that I took my phone out and I recorded a video, and they was going to reward me, even though it was just 5 cents. Like I said in my one of my videos for my YouTube payment, even though it was 5 cents, it was just cool though. Like I said, I'm pretty sure all y'all record, I be on Snapchat, and yeah, I don't get nothing for it. Even if it was just a penny, the point is somebody gave you something for it, they felt it was worth something. And then, like I said, my first check was 2,300, something like that. It was 2,300 something like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I kept going. I would have never knew from 5 cents to 2,300 or whatever it was. Like I said, yeah, I could go back to that video I got also. That you know what I'm saying? I was gonna ever see that if I would have quit that. If I would have quit from there, I would have been like, no, there's 5 cents. There's people who was telling me to quit, because that's all it was. Like, yo, you got a long way. And at that time, like I said, I didn't even have that many subscribers. Cause it's not about subscribers at the end of the day. You could have 1 million subscribers, nobody feel any value in your video, that doesn't even matter at the end of the day. But that was the point. I know it was off topic, but anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. So make sure for the people that already on it, get back on it, sign in and get on it. Like I said, it's probably gonna take you minutes. Use the same strategies I told you. And for the people that, you know what I'm saying, that is not on it, get on it and just go. Like I said, don't even think about it, just go. Like I said, if you need to, you know, do one part now, one part later, that's fine. But get started. That's the biggest part from everybody. You're probably in a bad position now, so what do you got to lose? You know what I'm saying? Get to it. But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. Our social media platforms will be in the link in the description below. And just get to it, man. So the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella, I make it